If you've just installed Kali Linux, ettercap is one of the default tools that allows you to sniff and attack hosts on the network. We'll explain how this works on this episode of Cyber Weapons Lab. The graphical version of ettercap is a beginner-friendly tool that allows anyone to understand how internal network attacks work. Now, aside from the attacks that we've already studied, which are more externally based, where the attacker doesn't know the Wi-Fi password, these attacks will actually go into what happens when you actually join the network and are starting to cause havoc from within. Now, you might know some scans like Nmap, which we've discussed before, which are kind of active and allow you to discover what's on a network by simply sending out a whole bunch of requests that reveal the devices on the network. Now, this could be too noisy for some sorts of scenarios, so a better way of doing this in that event can just be sitting on the network and listening for requests going out and identifying IP addresses and open ports based on those. Now, this is a really sneaky way of doing so, and what we'll be doing today is building a list of hosts by just sniffing rather than doing active scanning, and then actively attacking them with an ARP poisoning attack. Now, what this does is take advantage of the unauthenticated nature of the traffic between hosts on a network, and basically tries to redirect traffic to us instead of where it's supposed to go. Now, we have two different options. We can either listen to it and modify it, we can listen to it, or I guess a third option would be to just drop it and not forward it at all. Now, in this third case, we can actually just jam the connection. And to demonstrate the simple way of attacking a network from within, that's what we will actually be taking care of today. Now, in order to do this, you'll need a wireless card that can be put into monitor mode. But in this case, it's not that important because you can also do it from within a network. So your computer's internal network card should suffice for this particular attack. You'll also need Kali Linux because this tool comes pre-installed and the graphic user interface is super helpful for anyone who's just getting started. Once you have all those together, then we can begin. Hey Bytes, in 2019, YouTube started enforcing a ban on instructional hacking, and as a result, we started getting warnings and even a strike on some of our content. Now, in order to make sure we didn't get taken off YouTube entirely, we had to move some of the more problematic videos over to the Null Byte website. Now, I understand this is a little bit annoying, but you can still access the content by checking out the link below and in the description. Thanks for understanding. Now that we've started the attack, the host that we've selected shouldn't be able to connect to anything on the network. And we should be able to persist this for as long as we want and effectively deny the person on the network the ability to access anything outside of their own computer. Tools like ettercap can be more subtle than overt attacks such as deauthentication, which prevent you from actually joining a Wi-Fi network. Instead, these tools work from within to poison various aspects of the Wi-Fi communication and can easily be done from any device that's connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now, the same is true with local area networks where you're just connected via Ethernet. So you should be aware that these sorts of things can happen anytime you have a malicious host operating on a network and can be discovered either by running something like Wireshark or by looking at other sorts of indicators that could show that there are signs of something internal rather than an external attack, such as maybe a new device appearing when you do a Nmap or Fing scan. A new device appearing on your network at the same time that you have an internal Arp-Spoofing attack could be the sign that you have an attacker who's joined and is taking advantage of this flaw. That's all we have for this episode of Cyber Weapons Lab. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any thoughts and feedback on the show, send me a message on Twitter because I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.